Am I wrong for saying that I choose another way? I ain't trying to do what everybody else doing, just